Kumusta? Happy Charter Day anniversary for those who are here in Escalante City. And how are you sa mga wala din sa Escalante? Anyways, it's noontime. I have bago lang ko natapos og lunch, and I would like to grab this opportunity to say thank you to the strong 500, the first 500 likers or followers since I have started my vlogging, quote unquote, last week. Thank you so much for following me, guys, and I promise I'll try my best to be able to come up with good videos, worthwhile videos that you may be able to relate from, and that would also teach you some, not really teach, no, but I just would like to impart some things that you may learn from. So, salamat kaayo sa pag-follow. And as I was posting some random thoughts that I have in the past week, nalingaw ko sa inyong mga tubag. Just like for example, when I posted last time, unsay permero nimo, unang-una nimo ginabuhat when you wake up in the morning. Of course, may mga relihiyoso kaayo, no? People would say mag-pray, and that's very good. That's very good. May uban nga ibuklat ang mata. Technically, of course, you need to. And there are a lot other answers coming from those people I've known. Technically, of course, ibuklat mo yung mata. And at the same time, mag-pray ka, no? Pasalamat sa bagong adlaw nga gihatag sa Ginoo nato. Pero this kind of question actually, nahuna-hunaan ako ni siya kay, di ba, kinibitong kakatiguang na ta. Ouch! Dili siguro tigulang, kundi kining mature na ta. Child kana kay mas namin na siya pamation kaysa mo yung kagtatiguang. No, kining mature na ta. Usually, ang atong ginaistoryahan na is about healthy lives, di ba? Healthy living, unsay mga maintenance nga bulong, pila imong creatinine, pila imong SGPT, pila imong weight, etc., etc., no? And one problem that we usually encounter, just like the way I had it before, no, katong active pa kayo akong social life before, magsigig inom, di ba? So kita man pud sa lawas, di man nato madigar, di nato madinay. Unya, at some point, nagka-problema na because taas na og acid, very acidic na, so acid reflux, no? Somebody had advised me nga makatabang daw ang muinom og warm water just after you wake up in the morning. And I follow that advice. So every morning when I wake up for the past pila na ka years ron, I make it a point to drink warm waters. Something kaya ra sa imong powers, no, dili po nang ininit kayo nga pag-inom nimo malapuan na pud imong tutunlan, no, budlay na pud na siya, another problema na. Pero I follow that up. I follow that through, and gladly, fortunately, it was effective para sa ako. No, na neutralize ang akong acidity. It actually helped me nga dili na siya kaayo magsig heartburn and things like that, no. Naka-remember gani ko ba sometime days ago na kauban ko sa butika, nagpalit ko tambal, and I overheard him nga ga-ask about how strong kuno kining mga antacid or how effective kining mga antacid. Ya ako kay bida-bida man ko, mura ko si Jollibee. So nakisabat, no. And told him, I suggest nga mauni inom ka og kanang warm water in the morning kay para sa ako effective siya, no. Pero disclaimer lang ha, what could be effective para nako may not be effective to you as well, no. And moto bida-bida lagi, so we parted ways, and I hope I would be able to help him, no, sa iyang problema about taas kaayo nga acidity. And I looked it up as well. Naman po yung mga studies that would support that particular habit, no, that good habit kay mas maayo maka-enhance daw sa imuhang gut function, the entire day nga gut function, maka-avoid ka of constipation, and then maka-enhance sa digestion, circulation sa imuhang para ma-prepare ang imong lawas for the day, for a day's work. So, muna siya. Ang sa ako nga part, it was effective. It is effective even up until now. Pero the best thing there is you avoid also things or food or beverage that would trigger, no? Kay naa naman ta ana. And then we don't want to reach the point nga kinahanglan na gyud ta magpa-doktor. So this one kini atwa siya is just a remedy naman siya, no? Household remedy, no? Home remedy. And the best thing still is to consult a health professional about it. If medyo severe naman yun, hindi na magdaas. So, mas maayos mo konsulta o health professional, no? So that mas effective ang magiging advice sa ato. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Siguro for now, I'm still trying to look for my niche in the vlogging world, in the vlogging realm. I'm still trying to find the best content for me that you would like. And for now, ganahan ko ani na mag-istorya-istorya ta because I believe this is my strength as a person, no? And I hope to share with you the thoughts that I have. So if you have anything in mind that you think pwede na tong istoryahan, pwede na tong i-discuss without going overboard, please let me know so that we can find time to, talk about it and share our ideas, no? And please help me spread this good news. Please help me spread my very young page, no? I actually chose not to convert my main account because I even locked it. Kinaatay dito yung mga 10-year-old nga mga posts nga usahay, judgment patakaayo, no? So makahuluya. So this one is really I choose to have this as my public account, Da Vinci Diary, no? So hopefully you would be able to share this one and help me out nga daghan pa ang maka join in sa kini nga mga opportunities because I really find this as something worthwhile, no? It took me a while before I decided, pero now that I have decided to start this, I hope that I'd be able to communicate with you and make this relationship between me and you meaningful. So I think, loves, that would be all for today. And please enjoy later tonight my Missing Philemon. Tomorrow, bro, my Finding Philemon. No. There's a fireworks display sa plaza tomorrow night. And I hope everybody would have fun here in Escalante as we celebrate our 24th City Charter Day celebration. So, you guys take care and have a good one, dogs. Bye-bye!